Hey everyone, welcome to our Brandlove series where we go and take 3 minutes worth of your time and dive into a brand and what we would change about it, what they've done right, and what we would fix if we had the opportunity. Let's dive in. First brand up is Domino's, a fan favorite that everybody loves. Originally named Dominick's, the two brothers named Tom and James would buy the restaurant for $500 in 1960. In 1965, one of the brothers sold the Dominick's restaurant and rebranded it as Domino's. From 1965 to 1978, Domino's would go on to open 200 more restaurant locations nationwide. And between 1978 and now, Domino's has gone through 3 different brand changes and has come closer to the brand we know and love today. Now let's move on to our next segment, the good and the bad, and where we explain what Domino's has done over the past years that was good for their brand and what they've done that was bad for their brand. Since 1978, Domino's has made a tremendous bound into relevance, particularly because of their ability to adapt with the current brand trends and partially because of their variation that they've added to their menu. Modern suits their brand and they know exactly how much to push their current brand to the limit while still maintaining historical aspects of their origins. Now on to the bad. Domino's has had their fair share of faults in their branding efforts and has even gone to extreme lengths to rise from the depths of pizza hell to surpass competitors. It took them a little longer to get the ball rolling in the right direction for their brand, but they got to the right spot in the 3rd or 4th, depending on if you count Dominick's, iteration of their branding. But they stuck it out and trusted their branding experts, and it paid off. Now on to our last segment where I explain what I would change about the current Domino's brand. What I would change about the current Domino's brand is that they lean more into their hand-drawn elements in their branding. Here's an example of what Domino's has done well with their hand-drawn elements. You can see here that it leans into the older traditional roots of what their brand originally was, and it also has a good combination of solid, straight lines that helps contrast that very well. Lastly, what I would do is lean into your color schemes a little bit more. Add the colors to the boxes and add the domino effect like you see here in these images, and use that as your main box design. I think with the combination of modern and traditionalism, you can have a good box design that helps explain your roots to people while also saying that you're still with the times. Thanks for joining me on this Brandlove episode. I just wanted to go ahead and plug our socials down below if you'll see here, and also go check out our downloadable resource on logo design. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.